How to add MP3 file in FL Studio. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to add MP3 file in FL Studio. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over and download FL Studio. You can just head over to your Chrome store and then just search for FL Studio right here and click on download right there. And you can see this image line right here, so you can just head over and click that and then download your Windows or Mac OS, whatever is applicable to you. Now once you have downloaded that and installed it, you can now open this track right here. Now if you want to add an MP3 file, what you can do is to just click on this channel icon right here or the channel rack. So click on that and you can see this channel rack right here. So what you can do is to click on this plus icon and then click on this audio clip right here under the miscellaneous, and then in here you can see this thing. So what you can do is you can just click on this file icon in here in order to add a music. But if you can see this audio clip master, you can just click on this audio clip right here. So let's click on this file right here and then let's locate the file that you want to add. So my file is on the downloads, which is this, so I then click on open right here, and then after I've done that, I can just see that this has imported itself to the Apple Music, so I can just close this and close this channel rack again. And then if I want to add it, I can just drag this specific audio on the audio track that I want, just like this. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add an MP3 file in FL Studio. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!